sign up for your 15-day free trial with Linkasoarus, you can use most of the features we have to offer. After you create a username and password, you will be asked to join your brand. You can scroll through the existing brands already using Linkasoarus, search for your brand by name, or add a new brand. If you are adding a new brand, fill in the name of your brand that will make it easier for other franchisees from your brand to find. Remember, if your brand is international and you have multiple brand pages managed by your franchisor, it is recommended to name the brand as it relates to your country. For example, if your brand is located in the United States, you might name it something like Linkasoarus USA. And if you have another corporate brand social account in Australia, call it Linkasoarus Australia. Add Facebook page and click Add New Brand. Now that you're officially linked to your brand's Facebook page or any social account, it's time to add your first location. Select the Locations icon and choosing Add New. Here you will see your name as the location manager. In the trial version, you are allowed one person to manage this page, but when you upgrade to a paid plan, you can add an unlimited number of managers and assign them their own location. On this screen, you will want to complete all the fields that are specific to this location. Add the name of the business, but make sure you give it a name that you will recognize from a list of different locations. For example, if Linkasoarus has retail franchise locations and your business was located on Elm Street, you could enter Elm Street Linkasoarus. Most franchisees have a number assigned to each of their locations, so you will want to enter this location number here. When it comes to social media, a common best practice is creating a hashtag that you can use in all your posts to help people find you. You can enter anything you want, but most businesses use something specific to their location. For example, hashtag Elm Street Linkasoarus. Next, enter your location's physical address as well as a phone number and email address you want customers to use. Once you've completed all the fields, hit the Load button next to the Facebook location signature. This will pre-populate a suggested location signature that will show up on every post submitted to this location's Facebook page. You can also edit the suggested location signature in this field to whatever you like. You may want to add your business hours, phone number, or email. This can always be changed in the future. Click Add, and on the updated screen, it's time to connect this location to its Facebook page. Click Add Account and follow the prompts to establish your link with Facebook. Once you get to the Add Facebook page, scroll down to the Facebook page that is specific for this location. Check the account and click Save. Congratulations, you've linked your location-specific Facebook page to your brand's official Facebook page, and you will automatically receive location-specific content posts whenever your franchisor posts to their account. When they post, you post. Now you have access to view and reuse any and all posts that other franchisees using Linkasoarus within your brand are posting. Let's start with how to post a picture, multiple pictures, or a video. You can select the envelope that says Add Post up top. On the following screen, it's a quick 3-step process. First, type in your post message. Remember, you don't need to add location contact information because your location signature will automatically get tagged to the bottom of this message once you submit. In trial mode, you are only allowed to post now, but when you upgrade to a paid plan, you can schedule post days, week, and months into the future. Once it's loaded, select Next. Step 2 already pre-selects your location to receive this post, so all you need to do is click Next. Step 3 is your review screen, where you can double-check your work before submitting. If everything is good, then select Submit and you've officially posted. You can go to your Facebook page and see how your posts look with your new location signature attached. Now that you know how to post in the trial version, let's learn how to harness the power of all the franchisee in your brand and see what everyone else is posting. From the dashboard, go to Calendar and you'll see two calendar options. The first is My Calendar, which allows you to see all the posts that you and your organization will have posted over time. Right now it's empty, but after you submit your first post, you will see on the date you posted a link that says 1 post, or however many posts were posted this day by your franchise. In this view, you can select month, week, or day view, as well as advance to months in the future or view posts in the past. The second calendar is called My Brand's Calendar. In this view, you will see every post submitted from your franchisor and every franchisee's post from your brand that is using Linkasoarus. From here, you can pick a day that is showing posts, then review the thumbnail of all the posts. If you like something you see, you can click the post, which will allow you to do a larger preview where you can read the information in the post, as well as see a better view of the picture posts, or click the full screen option if it's a video post and play the video. If you want to use this post as original content and send to your Facebook page, select Repost. On this screen, you can edit the message to make it more relevant to your company, then continue as you would normally post until submitted. If you want to find the contact email of the person who posted something you like, you can click their name from the show screen of any post. This will help if you have questions about the results of someone's post, as well as ask questions about the creative process used to create a professional-looking post. While using your trial version, think about how this can help your entire franchise when all of your locations have these features and more in one of our upgraded plans. If you would like to see how a premium paid plan works, please click the next tutorial.